Okay, before come to the simplification, we should know which formula we are going to use here. Suppose we are given to find out the cube of a x minus y, then we should apply these two formula, x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube, or we can write this in this form also, x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. Now in this, now come to the actual problem. Now if you see, the problem is more or less like in this form. Okay, now this is x, here is 3a minus 2b x square. Now here this is x and 2a minus b is y, minus 3, x is 3a minus 2b, this is x, this is y, this is 3x, this is y, and this is x minus y. Now suppose here this is given a minus b, but the x minus y, which if you have x minus y here, then you can directly put the formula, but here is a minus b, but x minus y means 3a minus 2b minus 2a minus b. Now you have to check in graph that either you can write a minus b in the form of 3a minus 2b minus 2a minus b. So we should check it that 3a minus 2b minus 2a minus b, that is equal to 3a minus 2b minus 2a plus b. So this is a minus b, right? So a minus b, instead of a minus b we can write 3a minus 2b minus 2a minus b. So what should we do now? We should write the given sum in this form, 3a minus 2b whole cube minus 2a minus b whole cube minus 3a minus 2b 2a minus b. Now write this a minus b in the form of this minus this. Okay, so how should we write it? Like a minus b is 3a minus 2b minus 2a minus b. Okay, now you can see that it is exactly in the form of x cube minus y cube 3xy x minus y. You can see that this is x, this is y, 3x y x minus y, that means 3a minus 2b, this is x, this is x, and this is minus y. So it is exactly in this form, right? So now we can say, we can write, instead of we are doing the simplification, so we should write this x minus y. If you are given this form, we can write x minus y whole cube. So now we should write that this is equal to 3a minus 2b minus 2a minus b, that is x minus y by y whole cube. Now do the simplification. Now we already know that 3a minus 2b minus 2a minus b is actually a minus b, so I am not doing here. You can just directly write that this is a minus b whole cube. Okay, because we know that this will come to a minus b. Now you just put it in the formula, either this formula or this formula, but that will be better because you have to multiply again. So you just put here or directly in this formula, or you can say this is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, in this formula. Now you have to just multiply, because we are doing the simplification, so we should come to the simplest position, that is 3a square b plus 3a b square. So this is the answer. So either you can directly write this in this form, or you can write this form and then you multiply, you should get your answer. Okay, so this is the answer. But sometimes when you are given a is equal to 5, suppose you are given a equal to 5 and b equal to 2, and then you have to find out the simple form, so you should not apply this formula. You should directly come to here, a means 5, b means b is the a value of a is 5 and b is 2. So we should go through this. 5 minus 2 is 3 whole cube means 27 is the answer. So sometimes you have to find out the formula when you are given the value of the variable that is given here. But if there is no value given, so you should write your answer should be this one. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you right now.